Hi everyone, and welcome to another FX Edge Power Hour. I am Marcello Dusil. We're going to do today what I have done for years and what we've done together in the last few years, which is an evaluation of our strategies, a appraisal of the market conditions as we see them based upon the 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time close of our daily bars and our 4-hour bars. We do so because we find this time to be the reset of the markets, and it gives us a higher probability of success from a swing trading perspective. Today we're going to speak about, very briefly, 5 reasons to focus our efforts on capital appreciation. Then I'm going to have a brief questions and answers session. So let's go ahead and get started here. Now, 5 reasons to focus our efforts on capital appreciation. Number 1, staying in the game is crucial for success. To become a successful Forex trader, you need to be able to trade and stay in the market. If you blow up your trading account and run out of funds, it's impossible to ever become the best trader that you can be. Protect your capital and focus on appreciation with very low risk. So now what we're talking about is not going for the big explosive growth here. We're talking about systematic, small incremental growth, okay, is what you're going to go after, and good things will come after that. Okay, it's easier to lose money than to make money. We've all heard that most traders lose money, or that 90% of traders lose their money. But what does this really mean to you? This means that most people lose money in the market because they really don't know what they're doing and are using a system that probably doesn't even work. And many of them are actually, who do have winning systems, don't know how to implement them properly. There are a myriad of ways that you can just mess up in this market, okay? And that goes for just about anything, but really it's about having it all together. It's a precision type of game, which is one of the reasons that we trade with EAs. It's very necessary for us to trade with experts because they help us to at least deal with the implementation and clearly with the strategy portion. We know we have a strategy that works. We know that we have proper implementation. That really takes a lot of the issues out of the equation. Okay, after you focus on capital appreciation, capital explosion will follow. Okay, when you focus your efforts on capital appreciation, you're really focusing on growing your capital steadily and with low risk. However, there will be times when the market conditions will allow you to also have trades that will take advantage of the capital explosion principle. And we've had certain examples of that recently. We had a STP trade that just, on the euro dollar, the pound dollar, even on the dollar Swiss, that went for over 1,000 pips each. You know what it's like to have a 25, 3,000, 4,000 pip month? I do. And, without a lot of work, that's capital explosion. When the market is ready, it's going to explode in a way. And if you give it the opportunity to, all you have to do is put out your sail and catch the wind of profits. And that's really what we call capital explosion. Now, capital appreciation can protect you during a losing streak. A losing streak can get you off of balance and even let your emotions control your decisions. Nevertheless, if you have a clear-cut plan to grow your capital, you will also be able to reduce risk and your account's exposure to volatility. Instead of revenge trading, you will systematically hammer away until achieving your goals. So if you're thinking about systematic capital appreciation, and when we say capital appreciation, what we mean is systematic growth of your account. If you're focused on systematic capital appreciation, then you won't be trying to get that home run to make up for that trade that you may have lost. Okay, so don't revenge trade. Just continue to hammer away. Of course, if your system works, then it will continue to work, and that's that. Okay, capital appreciation's focus on using solid money management. Capital appreciation is not about making 100% ROI in a few weeks. It's all about making smaller returns, but several times a month. When you produce 3 to 5% a week with controlled risk, you will be able to achieve your goals faster than if you were trying to make 20% per week by risking more capital. And I think that speaks for itself. Now, closing notes. Some folks make money in the Forex because they got lucky or they had a series of winning trades while using high risk. Needless to say, these types of traders don't last. Focus on growing your capital steadily while using very strict money management and meeting your goals. This will help you to meet your goals and to achieve your goals in just a matter of time. Okay?